It's a little defeating when you put the work in and your video gets 39 views. But the day you put the work in and you get 14,000 views, wow. Some of you already know we're backpackers and we do a travel vlog, and that we've been to 66 countries, and we try to film things that are real, a little eclectic, and maybe that you don't see in all the other, fun stuff, crazy stuff, beautiful views.
And look at it, it connects to the road, and there's a big fat iguana sitting there. Oh my God, look at him. Yeah. Now I have a close-up. I know, I'm passing. Hi.
Yeah, I know. That means we're going up there, right?
Yep, tomorrow.
Okay. But you stick with it, and out of the blue, something happens. You hit on something people want to watch. 14,000 views, and it happened in Egypt.
Hi, we are Olga and Daniel.
Our pleasant journeys.
We backpack all over the world. It's an open-ended trip with many twists and turns.
Olga's the active one. I make movies and like coffee yoga. And these are
Our pleasant journeys.
We home base from Hawaii and spend a lot of time outdoors anyway. Hiking, long walks, we go to the beach. Olga does yoga, very active. We look for sea turtles. On the eclectic side, I do coins and stamps. And the joke is that I like coffee yoga. So you never know what you'll find. We will look for the kitty cat around the corner. Olga will take pictures of bugs, and all the adventures that we find just out and about on an everyday in another culture, meeting the local people. That's us, Pleasant Journey. And of course, we do coffee talk.
What are you doing, Dee?
Oh, just thinking.
Hi. Pretty good, huh? It's a nice pool. Early morning, mostly shady.
Really nice.
Yeah, and they've really cleaning the water, so it's every day it's ready. And then we have the seats by the side. Really enjoying this. Floating on. All right, was it that big? Okay.
We're starting to work on this one. See it in a couple weeks.
Just stick with it.
Olga calls this a headstand to forearm balance. Okay, I believe in the balance part, but she's lifting her head up from the floor. And I guess that takes a lot of balance.